Prayer to Start the New Month by Leveridge. Dear Lord, as I enter this new month, I seek your guidance and blessings. Fill my heart with hope and courage. May your presence go before me in all my endeavors. Grant me strength to overcome challenges and grace to embrace each day with gratitude. In your name I pray. Amen.